Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing today is this. Okay, so I just have to open it like this. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's another box. There's a box inside. Okay. There. And there. Oh, it's soft. Nice and soft. What could that be? Cradle you in warming comfort. Cradle. Yes. Let's see. Oh. Oh, there is a plug. What's that? It's a bag.
Yeah, got the bag as well.
So that's nice. There is a bag. So this is the bag, and this is the thing. Let's see. Also, it's connected in there.
Yeah, it's a heating pad.
Also, this is a heating pad.
Yeah.
It's to lie down.
I think it's just to put around, you can put it on your back when you're sitting down, or around your waist or on your leg.
Oh, so
Like
it's...
if you have any back pain or arthritis or whatever.
Oh, really?
Or
Also,
just to keep you warm.
also, this is very useful in winter.
Yeah.
Oh, so that is the... Also, this is... yeah, so this is
That's
the
the heat
switch.
settings, and there's also a timer. You can time it to stay on for like half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours.
So that's very good then.
And different heat settings.
Yeah.
Very low,
So,
medium, high, very high, etc.
so it means to be... It's just like that.
Yeah, you can do that, or you can put it around your waist.
Can do like this.
There's a strap on it, you can tie it around your waist.
Oh, so the tummy
Around
won't
your
get
back.
cold.
Yeah,
So like
either
this.
around the front, around the back, or around your legs, whatever.
And run the back. Or like this.
Yeah, around
Like
one leg
this.
if you got like
Yeah.
leg pain in one leg.
Yeah. So, 1 second. Because like this. Or like that.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's nice. It keeps warm. And so it's only one leg. So
Yeah.
it must be like this.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can do anywhere you want. So anywhere you want to warm.
Yeah.
Anywhere in your body.
I don't know if we can lie on it. We have to see the instructions, if there are any instructions.
Yeah, there is a thing in here.
Might be just for washing.
Do not use wet. Do not use with helpless people, small children, or people with insensitive to heat. Prolonged and extended use can lead to skin burns. Oh, so you cannot use it for too long.
Yeah, that's what I think the maximum is 2 hours.
Oh, so
And then it will switch off automatically.
so that means you cannot use this before you go to sleep, because once you're sleeping, you don't know how long you sleep.
Yeah, but it will switch off automatically after 2 hours maximum.
Oh, really?
Depending on the time that you set on
Oh,
timer.
see, because
So I
you
think
have to...
maximum will be 2 hours.
You put the timer.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like between half an hour and 2 hours.
And also there is a heat minimum thing. Baby, you like this? You use this, okay? To keep you warm, okay?
Yes.
Okay, baby. Put
I
this
hope,
on
I
your
hope he
back.
can lie on top to
So
keep him
our
warm as
baby
well.
can lie on top of this.
Any instruction leaflet in the box?
Yeah, there is.
Because I don't know if you can lie on it.
So that is the
And if we can put like a blanket or two on top, because we'll have to put a couple of blankets on top if baby will lie on it. So his clothes won't go in.
I cannot see the English one.
Maybe there isn't.
These
Especially
are
from China.
these are foreign language, so don't understand. I think it's only here. I think the one that's in here are the one in here. I think.
Maybe.
Yeah. So anyway, we don't use it for too long anyway. So it's good because there is a belt to tie
You can
it
tie it around
around
your waist or
the
whatever.
waist. So this is very good. Well, thank you, darling, for buying this.
You're welcome, my
Because
darling.
it's now winter
It's
and
freezing at the moment. It's
yeah,
8 degrees centigrade in here.
8 degrees.
Yeah.
So that's very cold.
Yeah.
We need
That's inside the house, 8 degrees.
more heat than
Outside is just above 0.
that. We need this room hotter, warmer.
Yeah, because we don't have the central heating on.
Yeah.
It costs so much now.
So that is the plug, and it's a bit long, so you can plug it
Yeah. Longer the
as
better.
long as this, as wide as it. So this is the plug for UK, 3-pin.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, baby. Oh my God.
Baby wants to test it out.
Hello, baby. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excusez-moi.
Oh, where are you going? You don't eat my plant. No eating plant. Okay. So
It's
this
definitely
is,
something useful in cold weather.
yeah, this is very useful in cold weather. And so when this plug in, so it warms up the whole thing.
Does it say how many watts it is on the...
In here,
Yeah, on the back maybe.
75.
75 watts.
Yeah. 240. What is it?
240 volts.
V.
But the W is 75.
Yeah, 75
Yeah,
watts.
75 watts.
And then 240 V.
Volts. Yeah, that's the UK voltage.
Voltage. Okay, 240 voltage. Yeah. So this is very useful. We will use this tonight. And even when we are watching TV, we can
Kinda.
can use it. So we don't need to put the heating on.
When you put heating on.
Yeah, but it's only me who will get warm, not you.
That's okay. I'm wearing enough.
I will cuddle you.
Baby is hungry.
Yeah, so that is the thing, but body heating pad. So that's the one.
Yes.
And on the side, that one. Also, this is washable by machine.
Yeah,
30
better
degrees.
not.
And that's, I think it's the same thing. No, it's not the same instruction here. So this is the instruction for washing machine.
Yeah.
But I don't want to use it. I don't want to wash in machine.
Yeah.
I'm not washing it. So that's it. And that is the bag. And the bag is very nice.
Unusual to include a bag.
Yeah, because after winter, then in spring,
You won't use it, so
yeah,
put it
it's
in the
not
bag and
used
store it away.
until autumn, late autumn. So it can be put in there, put it away, and it's easy.
Easy peasy.
It won't be dusty. It won't get dirty. So Alright, so okay guys, so this is it, the unboxing for today. The pad. What do you
Heating
call
pad.
the heating pad. So thank you so much guys for watching and see you in my next video. Ta-da! Love, love, love.